2013 Toyota Camry XLE. Midnight blackish blue metallic paint. Aluminum alloy wheels with good Michelin tires. Tinted windows. Dual chrome tip exhaust. This well-kept light gray leather interior. Toyota carpet and floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Heated front seats. Premium audio system. Large touchscreen with 90-day free trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. CD player. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights. Fog lights. Just over 195,000 miles. Push button start, and it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us at U-Cars.